Number 9. Fred has some colored kitchen floor tiles and he wants to choose a pattern using them to make a border around white tiles. He generates patterns by starting with a row of 4 white tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. He surrounds these 4 tiles with a border of colored tiles. Here's border 1. The design continues as shown below. So you can see here I've just counted the number of white tiles in each border and the number of border tiles. Fred writes 3 different expressions for the number of tiles in each border, where b is the border number for b greater than or equal to 1. For each expression, indicate whether it represents the number of border tiles, the number of white tiles, or neither. Select one response per row. So this is similar to the one on practice 1. What I've done is I've entered, just to do this quickly, I've entered the expressions as equations in my equation editor. I've replaced b with x because my calculator knows how to deal with x. And now if I go to my table, I can see that at border 1, this first expression gives me 10. Okay, and so that's the border number. The second expression gives me this 10, and my third expression gives me 10. So far it seems like everything's working. For border 2, the first expression gives me 14, the second expression gives me 15. Well, 15 isn't the number of border tiles or the number of white tiles, so that seems like a problem. And then this one, border 3, or expression 3, excuse me, gives me also 14. So it's checking out here. So let me go back and go to border 3. This one says 18. The second expression gives me 20. And the third expression gives me 18. So these both give me 18. This one gives me 20. And we saw also on border 2 that expression 2 didn't give us either of the quantities we wanted. So what we see then is that both of these, the first one and the third one, represent the number of border tiles. And the second one doesn't represent either of those quantities.